Hi travelers, meet the US. Traveler Anzio Softside Expandable Luggage, a 22-inch carry-on designed for your convenience. Made with durable 600D Oxford polyester, it resists tears, abrasions, and water, ensuring long-lasting protection. The expandable design adds 2 inches of extra space, perfect for packing more or bringing home souvenirs. Navigate crowded airports easily with the 360-degree spinner wheels and adjustable multi-stage handle system. Inside, the spacious, fully lined compartment features compression straps to keep your belongings secure and organized. For balance, pack heavier items at the base to prevent tipping. This carry-on combines durability, mobility, and smart storage for stress-free travel every time. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.